Hi folks, thanks as always for joining me and for your support. Today's painting, it's partly influenced by a paint I saw on the internet, and then I've just added my own bits here and there. Random detail, bit of card scraping for the buildings and whatnot. So before I show you how I painted this one, let's have a look at the materials. So I've got my palettes, same colours as always, in the same order. Got ultramarine, lemon yellow, Payne's grey, alizarin crimson, raw sienna, burnt umber, light red. They're all Cotman watercolours, just squeezed out and dried on my palettes. And I've just used the 3 brushes for this one. Got the large one, Ranson Ake, number 3 rigger, and then just a little rigger. So this is just starting off with clear water, as I often do, and then we're going to take a little bit of raw sienna, pop some of that on, a bit of background colour. Then I'll clean the brush, take a bit of ultramarine, just hop around a bit of Payne's grey in there as well. Something like that. Put down there on the bottom. A bit more Payne's grey, ultramarine. Just darken the little sections of it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same colours, same 3 colours, mix them all together. And then somewhere about a third of the way up, it's got a few trees on the horizon line. And I'll reload the brush, put some on a little bit stronger, some of them. I want to get it in fairly dark here, because that's where I'm going to scrape these buildings in. So it's got to be dark, otherwise the scraping won't show up. So I'm just scraping down to the white of the paper. Dab, dab, dab. I'm not going to clean the brush, I'm just going straight into some lemon yellow, Payne's grey. Bit of green in there as well. Right, let's get my card. So I'm going to have a building there. There's the roof, there's the other side of it. Just there. Into the sides there. We have another one there, just to the right hand side of it. What will make this a little bit easier is if I pull this flat against the board. Just get it flat on the easel. I'm just looking for a... making sure everything's mixing nicely in the sky. If it's not, it's like there. Just soak it up. That only stops it, I forget the expression now, it's cauliflowering, whatever they call it. Also, it looks like little fluffy clouds in the sky. Right, let's get another one. What's this one? A faint one this time. Down there. Something like that. No, that was rubbish. Just worry about that. Actually, we've got the... Just stick some chimneys on, made a mess of that one. town with a little bit of, just a bit of random detail. Fence posts and things. I'm just sort of scraping in a few things with this and then just using my finger. I'm just looking for random effects basically. What I always do, I'll do like a bit of a telegraph pole. A little hint of one there. Right, let's get some more of this groundwork. I want it to contrast, so I want to go a different colour now. So I'm cleaning the brush. Let's go more sort of pure yellow. Just mix some of that amongst this. A bit of raw sienna. So it's a bit of raw sienna. Starting over that side. Pushing it in. Stick a bit more water. A bit of burnt umber in there as well. Just to vary it slightly. A bit of ultramarine to darken it. Little dark tones even there, bit of brown, bit of blue. In the foreground we've got sort of section just there. All I want to do, I just want to introduce a path. I should have done this earlier. It's just a clean damp brush. And just create a path. Something. Clean that brush, just sit there again. And again, just clean it again. Get back to that light. So there's our little path. Now I'm going to brush up the lemon yellow there, a bit of ultramarine, a bit of variation. Fill in those gaps. More lemon yellow. Push that right up to the little path. Put them on this side as well. I've done that a little bit too wide. I'm just going to close that up a little bit. Back to that dark. Close this a little bit more. Just let it open a little bit down there. Just darken out a little bit. I think this looks a little bit bare. So what I might do is give it a quick dry and stick a tree in it or something. the rigger brush, number 3 rigger. Just going brown and blue, plenty of water. Just keep dipping it while mixing it into the water. Brown and blue. I'm just going to have something about there. Stick another one next to it. Stick a load of foliage and things growing off it. Because there's hardly any paint on the brush, I know I can just be like this, I'm not going to get too crazy. Just darken that a little bit. Stick something darker tones around there. I'll try and just flick up. Just flicking off here and there, just create little tufts of grass. Now what I need over here, I definitely need a little figure. I'm going to switch to the smallest little brush I've got. I'll just go into there. Just want to just trying to get the scale. I'm just looking at the size of those eggs and make sure I get the scale right. Two legs in. And then just in front of him there, you've got dog. Right, we need some shadows definitely. So let's make sure it's dry first. So sun, I mean, considering the roof's got the lit side like that, the sun must be coming from this direction. So we need to do the shadows sort of coming this way. I suppose it would look better going the other way with those. So I was just about to do them like that, cut them across, but I thought it doesn't match what's going on with those roofs. Not to worry. It's just mix a bit of brown, bit of red, bit of blue. Simple little shadow colour. I'm just gonna bit more water. I'm gonna pretend there's like a big tree over here and just cut the shadow straight across there like that. There's maybe a shadow there. Bit of shadows scattered about. And let's do a shadow of our little figures. Back to the small brush. want a little bird somewhere about there. We'll call that one done. I'm just going to stick my name in the corner. We'll call that one finished. So, pop my name down. Let's stick a mate on it now. Let's see what it looks like. So here's the finished painting, the main. So we're going to have a closer look. Starting off with the sky. It started off with a bit of raw sienna and then ultramarine with a bit of Payne's grey just to darken some cloudy bits here and there, give a bit more variation in the sky. Put these trees into this light area just to give it another bit of interest. I thought it was a bit bare over on this left hand side. Slightly unbalanced with all the houses and path and everything figured over on the right. You see these distant trees using the same colours. There's just a hint of lemon yellow in there as well for a little bit of green. And then in front of those added a lot more green for these big towering trees. So I wanted it nice and dark, so that's where I was going to place these buildings. You see, just very, very simply scraped out. It's basically just a roof with a chimney. That's all they are. As simple as you can get them. And then I've scraped in. See all these bits of detail, fence posts and things, telegraph poles, wires, just random details, just scraped in here and there, give the eye something to look at. Very simple figure, just brushed in with a little dog below him. This path there, which I forgot to put it in originally, so I just took the paint out with a clean damp brush, brought that right down into the foreground, and then brushed some shadows. Ideally, I suppose the shadows from the trees were going to cut across the path there, but when I looked at the noticed that, so you can imagine the light's coming down, hitting the roofs there, so the light needs to come from the right really, so that's why I cast these shadows across the foreground, some imaginary trees just out of shot. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Volume 2 of my book is, I think it's all just about for sale now. Just processing the Kindle version, and then all 3 formats, softback, paperback, and Kindle will be available. So I'll make a video very soon. It should be available in the next couple of days. So until then, thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.